Hey, it's Ryan Gillard here at Real Broker, your Calgary Realtor, and in this video I'll take you through a Marda Loop townhouse, one of the most highly sought after neighborhoods in the entire city. And this is a 3-story townhouse with a fully finished basement as well, and a detached garage. Let's have a look. And I'll take you through this townhouse in Altadore, also known as Marda Loop. Now this one, I actually sold it, and the reason I'm doing this video is it's a 4-plex, and I believe the other 3 units are still available. So this is one of the front-facing units, and the one right next to it is a mirror image of this one, and I believe it's coming back on the market. This 4-plex was a foreclosure, and so these units will be on the market coming soon. So if you have any interest, feel free to reach out. And so I'll give you the details of this property. So it is again in Altadore, also known as Marda Loop. This is a 3-story townhouse with a fully finished basement in a 4-plex. So it was built in 2015. And some of the upgrades, again, it's located in one of the best neighborhoods in Calgary in Altadore, right next to the River Park. 4 total bedrooms, so 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 in the basement, 3.5 bathrooms. And some of the highlights include modern finishings and sleek glass railings, engineered hardwood flooring, flat painted ceilings, modern kitchen cabinetry, quartz countertops, and high-end KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, nice lighting fixtures and decorative backsplash. Total square feet is 1,863, not including the basement. In the basement, there's probably about 610 square feet. Again, there are 3 bedrooms above grade, 1 in the basement, 3.5 bathrooms. It has a single detached garage. And again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'm easy to get a hold of, and I'd love to help you out.